Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I don't have to. I don't have threads also. I have Facebook page. It got hacked. Until now, I didn't retrieve it. I don't know how to retrieve. Someone hacked it. Someone from Pakistan hacked it. And how many times I reported in Facebook, but nothing happened. In times like this, you need a savior. Been shot by multiple pro. Okay, that's good. In times like this, you better be very sure. I don't know. I never think like I will make account in Twitter actually. Even this Snapchat I have also, but I'm not using it. I'm very sure your anchor holds and grips the solid rock. This rock is Jesus. This is the one. I want to crack my never gets old. Which one? The song you mean? The song never gets old. America's Got Talent contender are very expert. They are very expert in singing. Prakash, hello. Good morning. Good morning to you. I will not win with them. So I will not compete with them because I'm not that much expert. This rock is Jesus, the only one. Only you got impressed of my singing. Maybe you born to impress my singing. Thanks for that. Be very sure. Very sure your anchor holds. Lamcar, Lamcar, thank you so much. I cannot recognize your screaming because I don't know your voice. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much.